Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Steph. She's coming today for a redesign. So I took her previous design. No, she had a gel polish. So I took that clear acrylic down as thin as I could. And now we're going in with an acrylic design. She's been using acrylic for so long, like acrylic colours, and she went for gel and she was like, I just can't do it, Trace. So we're back to acrylic. So here I'm using Birthday Suit, and I'm just going to create a smile line with this. I'm using my Glitter Planet magic stick. I remembered it that time. I couldn't for the life of me think of what it was before. I forgot how much I love Birthday Suit. Every time I use it, I'm like, I love it. Why haven't I not used this for like a million years? I love it. It's just the perfect tone, especially for her skin. Perfect tone? Yeah, perfect tone, especially for her skin tone. It just was beautiful. So yeah, I'm just creating a smile on here. I'll let you watch. So this is going to be really simple, this part. So literally on all the rest of the nails, I'm just using Elderberry, and I'm just kind of keeping it nice and thin, and I'm just doing a full colour on all the rest of the nails. So I'll let you watch with no music because I'm boring like that. No, I told you last time why I can't use music. It's killing me. But I'm sorry, a lot of you like no music anyway. So the middle finger, we're going to do like a glitter trail. Get my words out, Trace. So this is Mike from Glitter Planet, and I'm just doing that kind of like as the background colour, background glitter even. So I'm just spreading that out quite far. I kind of used a little bit too much, but can you ever have too much glitter? I think not. So yeah, I'm just all patting that into place, not really bothered if it's not perfect because I didn't want it to be perfect. So now I'm picking up Galaxy from Glitter Planet, and I'm just going to put that over the top. I love this colour. She picked out these colours and I was a bit like, oh my god, are they going to go? But they really did, and they look super stunning. So now I'm just going to cap all the nails in crystal glass, obviously not the ring finger because I'm just letting that set before I go in and file it. So I'm using CJP crystal glass. Oh my god, who am I? Liz Guild. I'm using crystal glass. Why did I say glass? Like I'm from up north somewhere. Oh my god. I'm using crystal glass, and I had 3 massive bubbles in that. I don't know how it happened, but I popped them. So I'm just going to cap all the nails in that, and I'm still using the same brush. I must be watching too many of Liz's videos. Starting to talk like her. So here, just leaving a little clip of me filing it nice and crisp. I have sped this part up, obviously. So then once I'm happy, I'll just spritz it with some alcohol spray, sanitizing spray, or whatever you got, and then scrub off all the dust. So now I'm just going to use that elderberry and just use that, get right up into the corners. Not too fussed about the tip because we're just going to put this the same glitters that we put on the middle finger just on the tip and ombre it down. Can you hear Merlin? Merlin! Merlin, you gonna say hello? He's still not talking. Say hello. No, just bit it instead. So yeah, I'll just let you watch this. I have sped this part up because I was doing a lot of faffing around like I always do. So yeah, that's just me doing the glitter on the tip. So once I've done that, I then cap that nail, and then I filed them all and debulked and filed again and buffed, and she gave them a good scrub with some soap and water. I didn't leave any of the filing in because you've seen me do it a load of times. So now I'm going in with my top coat. So I'm using my, like I always use, CJP tack free top gloss, and just applying a nice thin layer of that over all the nails. She cures in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to say, I am loving the dark side of life. I'm loving the autumnal colours. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like this.